Welcome to Newton Nissan. You can see this in other vehicles at newtonnissan.com. This is a 2016 Nissan Murano SL. It's got the panoramic moonroof, navigation, a round view monitor, which uses a series of 4 cameras positioned around the vehicle, such as that one in the front, camera under each mirror, and a camera in the back, producing a more of a 360-degree viewpoint, which certainly helps with parking, getting in and out between parking spots at the grocery store and hardware store and what have you. Power lift gate. Power driver's seat, brushed leather interior, memory for the power seat. There's the power liftgate control there. Bluetooth. It's not only got cruise, it has intelligent cruise, which will allow you to set the distance that you want to maintain between you and the other vehicle. There's your navigation system there. There's the round view monitor that I was referring to, and here's your dual zone auto climate control right there, and the heated seats buttons are right there for you as well. Auto dimming mirror with HomeLink, so you can program up to 3 garage doors. Again, you can see this vehicle for a limited time at newtonnissan.com.